Hello students, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy's online class. I am your English teacher and in today's class I am going to teach you some dictation words. Students, dictation is the transcription of spoken text, that is, one person who is dictating speaks and another who is taking dictation writes down the words as they are spoken. Dear students, we have studied many new words this year. Here is a list of 60 such words. Read how they are spelled and listen carefully how they are pronounced. The first word is Rummaging. It's pronounced as rummaging. Second word Scrape. It is pronounced as scrape. Third Empire. It is pronounced as empire. Fourth, Calm. It is pronounced as calm. Fifth, Alarm. It is pronounced as alarm. Sixth word, Nobles. It is pronounced as nobles. Seventh word, Grove. It is pronounced as grove. Eighth word, Whispered. It is pronounced as whispered. Ninth, Weaving. It is pronounced as weaving. Tenth word, Pluck. It is pronounced as pluck. Eleventh word, Carve. It is pronounced as carve. 12th word, Probable. It is pronounced as probable. 13th word, Pail. It is pronounced as pale. 14th, Bolted. It is pronounced as bolted. 15th word, Fascinated. It is pronounced as fascinated. 16th word, Rustle. It is pronounced as rustle. 17th word, Chatter. It is pronounced as chatter. 18th word, Sway. It is pronounced as sway. 19th word, Road. It is pronounced as road. 20th word, Huddle. It is pronounced as huddle. 21st word, Edge. It is pronounced as edge. 22nd word, Hatched. It is pronounced as Hashed. 23rd word, D-E-L-I-G-H-T. It is pronounced as delight. 24th word, H-O-W-L-I-N-G. It is pronounced as howling. 25th word, C-U-D-D-L-E. It is pronounced as cuddle. 26th word, S-Q-U-A-L-L-I-N-G. It is pronounced as squalling. 27th word, T-U-M-B-L-E. It is pronounced as tumble. 28th word, S-Q-U-E-A-K-I-N-G. It is pronounced as squeaking. 29th word, S-H-U-T-T-E-R-S. It is pronounced as shutters. 30th word, S-Q-U-I-D-S. It is pronounced as squids. 31st word, F-L-A-U-T-I-S-T. It is pronounced as flautist. 32nd word, C-O-R-A-C-L-E. It is pronounced as coracle. 33rd word, E-X-P-E-R-T-L-Y. It is pronounced as expertly. 34th word, W-I-N-K-E-D. It is pronounced as winked. 35th word, V-E-N-D-O-R-S. It is pronounced as vendors. 36th word, A-N-N-O-Y-E-D. It is pronounced as annoyed. 37th word, F-L-U-T-T-E-R. It is pronounced as flutter. 38th word, P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S. It is pronounced as passengers. 39th word, D-O-D-G-E. It is pronounced as dodge. 40th word, S-P-O-T. It is pronounced as spot. 41st word, M-U-S-I-C-I-A-N. It is pronounced as musician. 42nd word, P-A-T-T-E-R-N-S. It is pronounced as patterns. 43rd word, G-L-I-T-T-E-R-I-N-G. It is pronounced as glittering. 44th word, A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C-A. It is pronounced as Antarctica. 45th word, S-T-O-R-M-S. It is pronounced as storms. 46th word, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. It is pronounced as neighbor. 47th word, P-E-N-G-U-I-N-S. It is pronounced as penguins. 48th word, M-I-S-T-A-K-E-N. It is pronounced as mistaken. 49th word, G-L-E-A-M-I-N-G. It is pronounced as gleaming. 50th word is braiding. It is pronounced as braiding. 51st word rookeries. It is pronounced as rookeries. 52nd word continent. It is pronounced as continent. 53rd word quays. It is pronounced as quiz. 54th word feathered. It is pronounced as feathered. 55th word thrilled. It is pronounced as thrilled. 56th word horse. It is pronounced as horse. 57th word squeeze. It is pronounced as squeeze. 58th word trumpeter. It is pronounced as trumpeter. 59th word harbour. It is pronounced as harbor. And 60th word is yells. It is pronounced as yells. Dear students, after learning the spelling and pronunciation of these 60 dictation words, it's time for some homework now. Your homework is to read all these words again and learn them. Also, write all these words in your English Mulberry notebook. What you have to do? You have to read all these 60 dictation words again and you have to learn them, and also write these 60 dictation words in your English Mulberry notebook. So students, with this, our today's class is over. I hope you all might have enjoyed the class and understood the pronunciation and spelling of each word properly. We will meet again soon in our next English class with a new topic. Till then, complete all your homework and stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.